All right, y'all. So today we're gonna be making some Bacorn. Start off by getting 2 corns, and I'll peel them. Once you've taken the husk off, just cut it right through the middle like that. You don't need a knife, but you can use one if you want. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut right along the core of the corn. Core should be clean just like that. I had myself a little donut break. I was hungry. It was early in the morning, which is not a healthy breakfast, but yeah. So now with your finger, just make sure that no corns are like stuck together in a bunch, or you can just keep it like that. But I don't like to have my corn stuck in a bunch like that. So there you go. Now what you want to do is you're gonna get 4 pieces of bacon, and you're gonna cut them up. I came to the realization that cutting them with a knife was a bit too hard, so I just started using some scissors. So go ahead and use some scissors. Now you're gonna get 2 green onion, and you're gonna dice them up into little circles. Now get 1 jalapeno and de-seed them like I did. You keep the seeds if you want, but I don't really like the seeds like that because it's spicy. And just cut them to small strips like this, and then go ahead and dice them up. Mince up 2 fresh garlics, and now shred up about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of some mozzarella cheese. Get about 1 tablespoon of some condensed milk, and mix that up with another tablespoon of some mayo. And you know it's gonna be some good stuff when it sounds like this. Oh yeah. And excuse the phone, I was recording a TikTok, but yeah, go ahead and throw your bacon into your pot. Once that bacon has some color, go in there with your scallion and your jalapenos. Once you sweat down those veggies, go in there with your fresh minced up garlic and mix it up. Now go in there with your corn. Give that a thorough mix. Now season that bad boy with some salt and some freshly grated ground pepper. Now go in there with that condensed milk mayo mixture, and now give that a thorough mix and make sure everything is incorporated nicely. Now throw in there about half of your cheese, just to make sure all the corn has a good amount of cheese in it. Once it's melted just like that, what you want to do is throw that into a skillet, because we're going to be throwing this into the oven. Now top it off with some more mozzarella cheese, and now into the oven. Should look like this once it's done. You basically just broil it. You don't have to bake it, and then go in there with some bacon bits. Top it off with some more scallions. Go in there for that bite. Done, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to see what items you want to see get done.